Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can get better at Clash Royale. Before we get started, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Get ready to discover some simple tweaks that will transform your gameplay and lead you to victory. The first one is to position your tank to draw enemy troops away from your towers or important defenses, allowing your towers to eliminate them for your tanks. Take them for a walk. The strategic placement helps you gain an advantage in controlling the flow of the battle, capitalizing on opponent's heavy tank placement. When your opponent places a high-cost tank like Golem at the back, seize the opportunity to apply pressure in the opposite lane. By doing this, you force your opponent to divide their attention between defending your immediate threat and building up their push. This can disrupt their game plan and make it harder for them to create a powerful push. Because they spent 8 elixir on the golem, they won't have much elixir left over to defend what you have coming. Stay vigilant for patterns in your opponent's gameplay. Hold on to key counter cards like Fireball for barbarians and anticipate their moves. This allows you to make a predictive plays and gain a strategic edge by countering their anticipated moves effectively. Building a deck around a win condition. Choose a primary winning condition out of one of these cards and build the deck around it. Include cards that support your winning condition and cover your weaknesses. This synergy maximizes your chances of executing successful attacks and defenses. Enhances your overall gameplay strategy. So by following all these tips, will guide you to perform better at the game. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.